Hello everyone, my name is Jannat Salat, ICT student at Bahrain Polytechnic. Today I'll be talking about Adempri software part 2. In part 2, I'll be covering two things, which are the features and the difficulties. For the features, we will be having two types of features, which are the platform features and the key features. The platform features are flexible platform for multi-organizations, currency, accounting, tax and languages. The second feature is fully customizable and it covers functionality, fields, reporting and interface. The third feature is mobile and browser access. The fourth feature is platform independent. The fifth feature is flexible import and export. The sixth feature is integrated report writing. The seventh feature is secure rule-based access and logging. And the last feature is multiple user interface and accounts. Moving to the key features, sales is one of the features and it includes quotes, proposals, sale orders, work orders and invoicing. Moving to the second feature, which is purchasing, and it includes purchase orders, material receipts and invoicing. And there are more features such as inventory and warehouse control, replenishment, stock movement and stock content, price list generations, accounting, account receivable, account payable, financial reporting, dashboards, and workflow management. Now let me show you some screenshots that will cover the features. Starting by logging in, each of the client and the admin will have different login account with different structure. However, both of them should enter their passwords to be able to access the software. Once accessing the software, the admin will have the same page that's shown in the screen. And it can be seen from the screen that there are some graphs about the invoice gross revenue and open invoice amount. By clicking on the view option in the toolbar, admin will have the ability to view many things such as order information, invoice information, shipment information, and others. Moreover, admin can create requests as it's showing in the screen. And for the requests, the admin has to fill up the form. However, all these options were in the performance section in the bar of the software. Moving to the second option in the bar, which is the menu, it can be seen from the screen that there are many folders such as System Admin, Application Directory, Partner Relations, and others. And for each folder, there will be subfolders as it's shown in the screen, and at the end, each folder will have different numbers of databases and tables. However, in the left pane of the software, there are more options such as sale order and products. And the admin have the ability to create each of them by clicking on the option and filling the form. Moving to the third option of the software, which is workflow activities that allow the admin to create activities. Moving to Postgres, it can be seen from the screen that there are 3 databases. However, the admin can create more databases. And on the right side of the screen, it shows that the overall or the work or the process of the 3 databases, which are Adempri, Adempri2 and the database of Postgres. And by clicking on the database, it will show you that there are other categories under each database such as languages and extensions. And for each category, we can create a new category of it. For example, for the cast, we can create another cast of it, and for the languages too. However, all databases will have the same categories. Under login group rules, as it can be seen that there are some users and some groups. Creating groups will be easier for the admin to be able to allow or block users and create lists. And if the admin wants to create other groups or rules, he will have the ability to create. And even for the table spaces, if the admin wants to create tables, he can. Moreover, this software has the ability to show categories of the chosen databases, either for all databases or for one database only. For example, we click on databases, which means all the databases together, and it will be shown on the dashboard the process per second and how does it work. Moving to the second option, which is properties, which will show all the databases and the owner of them. The next option is SQL, and it will show SQL if available. The next option is statics, and it will show the statics of each database. Moving to Adempri Web User Interface, it has many categories such as assets, cash flow management, and sale management. For each category, there will be other categories such as assets and payroll. as it's showing in the screen. Once clicking on the category, it will show you a form and list of other categories such as assets balance, products and license information, financial information, and others. However, each category will have different forms to fill up with the customer details. However, both Postgres and Adenbree is connecting to each other in order to store databases and tables. Moving to the difficulties that I faced while using or installing the software. While working on Open2, I faced some problems. Working on the virtual machine using Open2 was so slow, and if I want to do something, it takes me too long to be done. And as a result, I re-download the software itself using Windows, and even in Windows I faced some problems. For example, the JDK should be downloaded with a specific version and the Postgre too. Another problem was the time management, for example because we are having 2 projects and 1 exam to submit at the same day. This is all what I have for Adenbree Part 2, and thank you for listening.